Hey there, ever wondered what the landslide is and why they happen? Well, let's dive right in. A landslide is when a mass of rock, earth, or debris moves down a slope. It can happen in a flash or slowly over time. The main culprit? Gravity. When the gravitational force on a slope surpasses the resisting forces, a landslide occurs. But there are other factors at play too. Heavy rainfall can saturate the ground, making it heavier and reducing its strength. Erosion at the base of a slope due to rivers or the sea can make it too steep to hold together. Weathering processes like freeze-thaw cycles can weaken the material. Even human activities like mining or urbanization can mess with the stability of a slope. Landslides come in different forms. There are falls, where materials drop abruptly. Topples, where materials tilt and then fall. Slides, which can be rotational or translational, where materials slide along a defined surface. And flows, where materials move like a fluid. Often landslides are a mix of these movements. But why do landslides happen in the first place? It often boils down to the weakening of the material's strength. Picture this. If the glue that holds rock or soil grains together weakens, the slope can't resist gravity anymore, leading to a landslide. Several factors increase the chance of a landslide. Water is a big one. Adding water to a slope adds weight, lowers material strength, and reduces friction, making it easier for materials to move down. Erosion, especially at the base of a slope, can make it too steep to stay intact. The steepness or angle of a slope plays a crucial role too. Steeper slopes are more prone to landslides. Rock type matters as well. The combination of different rocks, their grain shape, and how they're layered can significantly impact stability. Weathering processes like freeze-thaw cycles can reduce the cohesion between rock grains. Vegetation is another important factor. It helps bind the material together. So, removing vegetation can increase landslide risk. Other factors include flooding, nearby volcanic or earthquake activity, and even human activities like mining or heavy traffic. All these elements contribute to the complex and fascinating phenomenon of landslides. So, next time you hear about a landslide, you'll know there's more to it than just gravity. It's a mix of natural and sometimes human-induced factors that make slopes fail. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Stay curious and stay safe.